Civil engineering guys. I have a video for you guys related to IS 456 2000, that is the code for RC design of the structures, civil engineering structure. So I have collected some important points related to this IS 456 2000. So let's start with those points which may be for use for you guys. So let's start with the points. So first one is the pH value of water shall not be less than 6. Second one, the modulus of elasticity of steel shall be taken as 200 kilonewton per mm square. Next one is storage of materials shall be as described in IS code 4082. And next one, in the designation of concrete mix M refers to the mix, and the number to the specified compressive strength of 150 mm size cube 828 days expressed in Newton per mm square. Next one is flexural strength, that's denoted by FCR, is equals to 0.675 root FCK Newton per mm square. And EC, the elasticity of concrete, equals to 5000 root FCK. FCK is characteristic strength. Next one is the approximate value of the total shrinkage strength for the design may be taken is 0.003. And next one is the stress in concrete doesn't exceed 1/3 of its characteristic compressive strength, and creep may be assumed to be proportional to the stress, and creep coefficient defined as the ultimate creep strain divided by elasticity. And there are different type of coefficient as a for the as 8 loading. For 7 days it's 2.2, for 22 days it's 1.6, and for 1 year it's 1.1. That means creep coefficient is different, is getting lower as of increasing age at loading. Next one is, as per increasing of slump value, the degree of workability increases. Next one is standard deviation. Generally we assume standard deviation for M10 and M15 equals 3.5 Newton per mm square, and for M20 and M25 it's 4 Newton per mm square, and for M30 to M50 it's 5 Newton per mm square. And next one is nominal mix concrete may be used for concrete of M20 or lower. It's a very important point, you must remember this. And the mixing shall be continued until there is a uniform distribution of the material and the mass is uniform in color and consistency. If there is a segregation after unloading from mixer, the concrete should be remixed. At least the mixing time should not be less than 2 minutes. Next one is the water cement ratio shall not exceed 0.6 and may need to be smaller. It may be smaller than 0.6. For aggregate of 40 mm maximum particle size, the cement content shall be at least 350 kg per meter square of concrete in case of underwater construction. Okay. Next one is basic value of span to effective ratio. For span up to 10 meter, it's taken as for cantilever it's 7, and for simply support is 20, and for continuous beam it's 26. Next one is a simply supported or continuous beam shall be so proportional that the clear distance between the lateral strain doesn't exceed 60b or 25b square by d, whichever is less. B is the breadth and D is the width of the construction material. That construction component B in a D. And for cantilever it's 25B or 100B square by D, and B in B and D is same here. So okay guys, I will be back with another point related to IS 456 2000, which is code for reinforced concrete design. So these points are very important point I have collected from the IS 456. Generally, if you'll go for study of ice processing incompletely, then you will find some difficulty and you will think that it's not easy to remember and we are not getting point one. What should I remember? For this, I've collected the important point and for you guys only. So, guys, mm, subscribe and share my video. Also, like and if comment if any have inquiry this kind of video, and if you want any other related to civil engineering topics, for that you must comment on this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.